Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up and sync the power button on your Roku remote, so you can see it right there. And if this isn't working, we want to go up to top, go to settings, then go to remote and devices, go to the right, and we get remote under here. We can just go to the right under voice remote and then go to set up remote for TV control. And if you have it set to IR setup, switch it to CEC and just try the other option. And make sure HDMI-CEC is turned on your TV. And then it should work. You can see my volume controls work. And we can go back under here also. We can go to add new remote. Select this. And then just set up your remote once again. Maybe it didn't actually get set up before. And then I got this one to the right. And then it says hold down the home button and the back button at the same time. So these two buttons right here. So let's hold these down. And it'll put it into the pairing mode. And this little light will blink. So you gotta hold down for 5 seconds. It's blinking. Now on the TV screen, it should say pairing remote. And it's pairing. And this should sync it up to your TV and you should be good to go from here. And you could try also taking out the batteries from your remote and then unplugging the Roku device and just restart everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.